Big belly yellow tail. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Finish him!
What's up?
I did not know eels were blind. So this goldfish right here is breakfast. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, he almost had him. This guy right here. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, he got him. He got him. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my God. R.I.P. 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 Did he get him? He got him. Wow. Wow. Holy, hey, thank you. Holy shit. Thanks, man. Wow, that's crazy. I did not know they were blind. Yo, that's ridiculous, man.
That octopus is freaking out. He's definitely hungry.
Damn, guys. So you just saw 2 goldfish getting. Look, he's hiding. He's hiding, man. Yo, he's really hiding right now. Yo, that fish is traumatized right now, bro. You see, look, it's hiding between those rocks right there. It's traumatized. It's like seeing 2 of his friends get eaten, yo. Y'all see it? Y'all see that fish? That goat right between those rocks, yo. That joint went and buried itself.
Green morans. They're just babies, too. They're gonna get like 8 feet.
Damn.
Somebody bought them in.
What's that?
Somebody bought them in.
Nah, we bought them from a supplier a couple months ago, and they just keep getting bigger and bigger.
That's ridiculous,
We
yo.
had 4, 2 of them sold.
Damn.
They're aggressive.
Oh yeah.
You gotta have a big tank for that, man. You said to get 8 feet.
Yeah, the guy that bought 2 of them has a 2,600 gallon.
He's still buried. He's still buried. They smell it. They smell it. They trying to get it. You see it right there. Look, you see it? Oh, you got him. You got him. You got him. Damn. Damn. Yo, it was only a matter of time.
Octopus just grabbed one.
He did?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, I see it.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, I see it in there. Yo. Savages, man.
The eels, $5.50 each.
Dang. He oh. Yo. Yo. Yo, this shit crazy. It's a good time to come to the fish store, yo, early in the morning like this, huh? It's like afternoon now for real. How many times y'all feed them a day?
Once.
Oh, okay. Dang. I seen it go down firsthand right here. Yo, you can see the fish in the jaws right there. That's crazy. He's like, yep, I'm about to just chill.
That one grabbed my finger when I stuck my hand in there.
Bro.
It's just so alien feeling. Nothing but suction.
For real. Yo. Yo, that's the goldfish right there. That's the goldfish right there. Meanwhile, the eel is trying to get to him. You smell delicious. Come here. Let's have a taste. Let's have a taste. All right, come back.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
ChefBiz.
YouTube ChefBiz.
Period.